Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup right on your stovetop. No oven needed. We will start by gathering our fresh ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Also, have 4 cups of vegetable broth ready. Wash and roughly chop your tomatoes and onion, then mince the garlic. This simple preparation sets the stage for a wonderfully flavorful soup. Next, we will build the flavor base for our soup. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and sauté them gently until they turn translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step brings out their natural sweetness. Then, add the minced garlic to the pot and cook for just 1 more minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Now it is time to combine everything and let the flavors meld. Add the chopped tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth to your pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. This allows the tomatoes to soften beautifully. Once simmered, use an immersion blender to puree the soup directly in the pot until it reaches a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. This step is key for that classic tomato soup texture. Finally, let us add the finishing touches to our delicious soup. Stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream or coconut milk for a rich, velvety texture. Season the soup with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. A sprinkle of fresh basil adds a lovely aroma. Serve your warm, homemade tomato soup with a garnish of fresh herbs or a crusty piece of bread. Enjoy your comforting creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.